Which Citizen watch is truly worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 Citizen watches that deserve a spot in your collection. Product number 1, Classic Quartz Gold Tone. First up, we have the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch, a classic piece that stands out with its gold-tone stainless steel case and bracelet. At around $111, it's priced reasonably for what you get. If you want a stylish watch that screams elegance, this one's worth a serious look. This watch features a black dial and a date function, which is perfect for those who like to keep track of the day. The 40mm case size is a comfortable fit for most wrists, and the mineral crystal offers decent scratch resistance. Plus, it runs on a conventional battery, so you won't be worrying about it dying on you anytime soon. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 4,000 reviews, it's clear that people are loving this watch. Now, some users have noted that the mineral crystal can scratch easier than sapphire, which might be concerning if you're rough on your watches. But honestly, for everyday wear, this isn't a deal breaker. Just treat it with a bit of care and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic designs and want something that can transition from casual to formal wear effortlessly. Skip this one if you're looking for something more sporty or rugged. Now, if the gold tone isn't your style, the next watch offers a more minimalist approach that you might like. Product number 2, Minimalist Quartz Black Dial. Next, we have another classic from Citizen, the Quartz Men's Watch with a minimalist black dial. Priced at $109, it's a fantastic option for someone looking for an everyday watch that won't break the bank. If simplicity is your style, this one's worth checking out. This watch features a 40mm case and a basic 3-hand function, which makes it incredibly easy to read. Water-resistant up to 50 meters, it's suitable for light swimming, so you won't have to worry about removing it every time you wash your hands. The Japanese quartz movement ensures accuracy, which is something every watch lover appreciates. With a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this model has its fans. However, some reviews mention that the crown can be a bit finicky when adjusting the time. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who sets your watch and leaves it, you may not even notice this issue. This watch is perfect for you if you value simplicity and durability in your timepieces. Skip this one if you prefer more features like chronographs or additional complications. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more advanced timekeeping experience. Product number 3, EcoDrive World Chronograph. Now let's step it up with the Citizen Men's EcoDrive Sport Luxury World Chronograph. At about $556, it's a pricier option, but if you want top-notch features, this is worth your attention. This watch is a real workhorse. Equipped with atomic timekeeping, it syncs to the atomic time clock, ensuring you're always on point no matter where you are in the world. With a water resistance of 200 meters, you can take it on all your adventures without a worry. The EcoDrive technology means it's powered by light, so you never have to change a battery. That's a big plus for convenience. Plus, with over 2,200 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear it's making waves. However, a few users mentioned that the watch is a bit bulky, making it less ideal for those with smaller wrists. But honestly, if you're looking for functionality over a delicate design, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and appreciate advanced features in your wristwatch. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight, minimalist designs. Now, if the size of the last watch was a concern, the next one is a great alternative that balances style and comfort. Product number 4, Stainless Steel with Black Accents. Next up, we have the Citizen Quartz Men's Watch with a unique stainless steel design and black enamel accents. Priced at $94.99, this is a fantastic deal for a watch that stands out. If you want something stylish yet affordable, give this one a look. The black dial and luminous hands make it easy to read, even in low light. It's also water-resistant to 100 meters, so you can take it for a swim if you like. Plus, it has a snap-on caseback that's perfect for engraving, making it a great gift option. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that buyers are satisfied. One area of concern is that some users felt the band could be a bit stiff initially. But here's the thing, a little wear will loosen it up, and it's worth it for the look and quality you get. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a standout piece without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a watch with a more sporty aesthetic. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about a casual watch that combines elegance with everyday wear. Product number 5, Casual Leather Strap. Finally, we have the Citizen Quartz men's watch with a casual leather strap. At $137.72, it's a bit more on the casual side but offers versatility for various occasions. If you want a blend of comfort and style, this might be your match. This watch features a white dial with luminous hands and a croque-embossed leather band, making it perfect for both office wear and casual outings. The 39mm stainless steel case is a comfortable fit, and it's water-resistant to 50 meters. That means it can handle any accidental splashes without skipping a beat. With a 4.7-star rating, users have been really happy with it. However, some reviews pointed out that the leather strap can feel a little stiff at first. But honestly, that's pretty common with leather, and it'll break in nicely over time. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's both elegant and comfortable. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional metal bracelet. And there you have it, a range of Citizen watches that cater to different styles and needs. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic Citizen watches, from the classic gold tone quartz to the advanced Eco Drive chronograph. Whether you're looking for something sleek, sturdy, or stylish, there's a Citizen watch for you. Choose based on your personal style and needs, and you can't go wrong with any of these choices.